Hello, this is Mr. Lorline, and this is your Literature 8 weekly update for October 26th until October 30th. So we are going to be moving on to a new standard right here on analyzing how text makes connections and distinctions among individuals, events, and ideas. And so, of course, we're going to be looking at some questions that will focus in on how a particular action by someone affects something else that is in the text. So, while we are answering those questions, students will be putting their answers on the Unit 2 Week 4 worksheet. We'll also be still watching videos and answering questions on a Google Doc looking at STEM videos this week, and that is kind of our focus also on the Newsela articles. And we'll be doing the same thing on Tuesday. Of course, we'll be watching a different video and learning a little bit about an academic researcher. On Wednesday, we'll be learning about volcanologists. And then on Thursday, we'll be learning about what it takes to be a forensic scientist. On Friday, we'll be learning about different military careers to kind of be wrapping up here with our career unit. So that is your weekly update for Literature 8.